How to download Instagram photos on mobile. So for downloading Instagram photos, all you have to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you have a stable internet connection, right? So after that, on the bottom right corner, you will have a profile icon. Tap on profile and choose a photo that you would like to save, and I'll be choosing this photo. On the upper right corner, you will have three dots icon. Tap on that, and then here you can see you will have an option which says link, but if you don't find that option, you will see that we are moving things around. See where to share a link. Tap on that, and then here you will have option which says copy link. Tap on copy link, and now after copying your link, what you have to do is go to Google and then search for Save Insta. And after searching, on the first search you will have Save Insta. Tap on that, and then you will have paste URL Instagram. Paste your copied link here, and then if you scroll down, you will have an option which says download image. Tap on download image, and your file has been downloaded. So you can open that, and here you can see that you have downloaded your desired photo from Instagram. That's it guys, that's how you download Instagram photos on mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching.